Hi guys. I'm Antonio, as you already know me. Today we're going to see Mastery 7 and Mastery 8. This is going to be really easy. It's about functions. So we're going to see how to call a function, how to create a function. So let's start creating the function because I think that's the easier way to see these things. So we're going to start creating a function. To create a function, we have to define it. So we start def. This is from define def space. Then we're going to write the name of the function. It could be anything we want. So we can put like calculate like this. And then we're going to put the range we want the function to work with, and I'm going to put, for example, x and y. Now after anything to go on, we have to put 2 points here, and anything we're going to write inside, well, this indent space is going to be inside our function. So now we can put, for example, t equals 0 to create the variable. Now t equals x plus y. Now we're going to put a return, and we're going to put inside the parentheses the value we want to be returned. We want to return t, for example. That is the variable we're creating here, and enter. So now this works like this. When we call calculate, it's going to take value x and value y, and it's going to start doing this process here. That is that t is equal to 0 to initialize the variable, and now t is equal to x plus y. Now everything inside the def is going to go on until it reaches this point. In the exact instant that it reaches return, it's going to end, and it's going to give the value of t in that current moment. So for example, this is how you create a function, and now we want to call it. We're going to print we're going to put the parentheses here, and we're going to write here okay, we're going to write the sum of we're going to put here 5 and 6 is space. Now here we're going to put a comma, and now we're going to call the function. To call a function, we only have to put the name and the range we want to use it. So now we're going to write calculate. Here we have it, calculate, and inside the parentheses we have to put the numbers we want to be using the function. So we put 5, 6, just like this, and we save it. Now we run it like this. So this gives us the sum of 5 and 6 is 11. So when we call the function, instead of writing this, it's going to write the value that is returned. So this enters like x being 5 and y being 6, and then the t is going to be the addition of these two, and is going to return 11. So if we write here, for example, 81 and 6, we save it and run it again. Now it's 87. Well, miss a bit here, 81. So it's like this. Save it and run it like this. So now, if you see, the sum of 81 and 6 is 87. So now you know how to create and call functions